you install fans in a steel building like this easily. So the easiest thing is just to hang a fan off of the I-beam, because we're talking 24-foot fans, because that's what we make. So you want to hang a 24-foot fan in here. Easiest thing, you hang right off the I-beam. And if you don't want to drill any holes, we have our I-beam brackets. See, these two plates just grip the bottom edge of the I-beam, and you just crank these down tight. See, and then underneath this is a swivel. The swivel is actually up on the beam. Then you put a drop pipe down. You might have to come down up to 8 feet. We've done all kinds of crazy installations. And these can be really far down. The most we ever did was like 25-foot drop. It was a 40-foot building, and we had to bring the blades down further. And then when you drop, it's going to get wiggly because you can't keep it stiff enough. So then you have to use guy wires and turnbuckles. So you got the fan coming down. You put turnbuckles on 4 corners, running up at a 45-degree angle up to the beam, and that's what keeps the fan from swinging. So when you're all done, you've got a nice rigid assembly, and you got guy wires 4 sides, and it's a really easy installation. So there, now you understand how you just clamp onto I-beams with these brackets and a drop pipe and guy wires.